Ron Bishop from Christchurch, New Zealand. I'm in Christchurch because I'm on my 6th week of radiation treatment for my cancer. I've got cancer in the prostate, and I'm come up every week for treatment, and this is my 6th week. When I went home on the weekend, I had a phone call from a lady from Auckland. She was beside herself because she had dismissed one of her employees. She'd made him redundant. The young fellow she had worked for had decided yes, he wanted to be redundant, so she made him redundant. And then he went to his lawyer, and she got a letter from the lawyer, and they won $10,000. They won $10,000 in compensation because she hurt his feelings when she sacked him. This is the employment law in New Zealand. Yeah, it's called the Employment Relations Act. It's been going since 2000. It's crippling businesses because she's told me on the phone that she would never employ another person. She also told me she was going to close down her business and go to Australia. Because this law is called, well, I call it the one-sided law. And it's destructive. It's ruining businesses. It ruined my business. I had a business for 13 years. Great business. And I employed a woman who was dishonest. And I had to close the business down. Not only that, I spent 4 years fighting the employment law. Now, today on this video, I want to talk to you about the cause of cancer. And I think the stress that I went through with that employment case was part of my cause of cancer. I've had a lot of things happen to me in life. At age 16, I accidentally shot my brother and killed him. At age 30, I watched my mother die. My mother die of cancer, and 12 months later, my 19-year-old brother died of leukemia. My sister, when I was 32, she died of epilepsy. When I was 33, my father died of a heart failure. I had a mental breakdown and nearly took my own life when I was 43 years of age. I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder. And then at 69 years of age, my wife and I were found guilty by an employment judge because we dismissed a woman by the name of Christine Bennett, and the judge said we had no justification to dismiss her. What I'm going to do now on this video is tell you about our court case, because I want it to be used nationwide. The employment court, the employment law in New Zealand is corrupt. It's putting people out of business. It's destroying people's lives. And I'm going to tell you what exactly happened during our court case. In fact, I'm inviting people to come online and to talk about it. So sit back now and listen what I have to say about the court case between Ron and Margaret Bishop versus Christine Bennett.